Hey everyone, welcome back to Rogo's Daily Facts. We're diving into a fascinating world of science today, where the line between biology and technology blurs. We're talking about Anthrobots. Anthrobots, tiny biological robots made from human cells, are a revolutionary invention that could change the way we approach medicine. These microscopic marvels are crafted from lung cells by scientists at Tufts and Harvard universities. A slight tweak in the chemical composition of the cells and voila, we get Anthrobots that can self-assemble and move around. What makes these Anthrobots so amazing? Well, imagine having a team of nano-sized robots that can travel within your body, regenerate damaged tissues, and even treat diseases. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. This is real, cutting-edge science. When these Anthrobots were placed with damaged neuron cells, they encouraged new growth. That's right, these tiny robots could potentially heal our bodies from the inside out. Picture them clearing blocked arteries, repairing spinal cords, identifying cancer cells, and delivering drugs to specific parts of the body. The potential is immense, but it also raises questions. How do human cells assemble and work together? Are these Anthrobots considered fully fledged organisms? Currently, they do not have a full life cycle, but the research is ongoing. In fact, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has already approved over 500 medical AI algorithms for diagnosing and treating patients. Could Anthrobots be the next big thing in medical technology? To sum up, Anthrobots are tiny biological robots made from human cells with the potential to revolutionize medicine. They can self-assemble, move within the body, regenerate tissues, and possibly treat diseases. The research is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are incredibly exciting. So next time you think about robots, remember they might not just be made of metal and wires. They could be living, breathing cells, working to heal us from the inside. That's all for today on Rogo's Daily Facts. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Before we wrap up, we here at Rogo's Daily Facts would like to express our gratitude for your endless support and curiosity. Your quest for knowledge keeps us motivated to bring you the most fascinating facts from around the world. If you've enjoyed learning about Anthrobots and their potential, feel free to like this video and share it with others who might also find it interesting. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn something new. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.